Introducing effective dietary swaps for your fat loss. Achieve your weight loss goals by reverting to dietary swaps. Dietary swaps are small but powerful changes you can make to your diet to burn fat and lose your unwanted pounds. They involve replacing less healthy foods with better, more nutritious options. These swaps are not complicated, but they can make a big difference in your health over time. By choosing better alternatives, you can work towards your health and weight loss goals while also improving your overall well-being in a sustainable way. In today's video, we're focusing on a vital topic: how making the right dietary swaps can help you lose fat effectively. This is a key part of any weight loss journey. Whether you're just starting out or already working on your goals, understanding these swaps can make your efforts easier and more successful. We'll explain everything you need to know so you can use these swaps to your advantage. To lose weight, it's important to understand the concept of calories in versus calories out. This simply means that to lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Creating this calorie deficit is the foundation of weight loss. But losing weight isn't only about eating less, it also matters what kinds of foods you eat and how you space out your meals during the day. Both the quality and timing of your meals are crucial for success. Different types of food can affect your hunger, energy, and metabolism in unique ways. For example, eating whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins is not only better for your body, but also helps you stay fuller longer. On the other hand, processed foods can leave you feeling hungry and low on energy. Choosing wisely can make it easier to stick to your goals and feel better overall. We're going to show you how to make simple but effective dietary swaps to cut calories without sacrificing taste. These swaps don't have to be complicated. For instance, you can switch from sugary sodas to water or choose whole grain bread instead of white bread. These small changes may seem minor but can add up to big results over time. We'll also include a sample meal plan that shows how these dietary swaps can be put into practice. This plan will help you see how easy it is to make healthier choices while still enjoying delicious meals. You don't have to give up flavor to eat better. You just need to make smarter choices that align with your goals. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make these swaps part of your daily routine. These practical tips will help you reduce calories, lose fat, and feel more confident in your food choices. Let's get started and take the first step toward healthier eating habits. To understand how to lose weight, you need to know how calories work in your body. Weight loss happens when you create a calorie deficit, meaning you eat fewer calories than your body burns throughout the day. When you do this, your body starts using stored fat for energy, which leads to weight loss. This is a natural process that occurs when your body doesn't get enough energy from food. But not all calories are the same. For example, calories from processed foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats can negatively affect your metabolism and leave you feeling unsatisfied. On the other hand, calories from whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are much better for your body. These foods help keep you full, provide essential nutrients, and support your weight loss efforts more effectively. Some foods also require more energy for your body to digest, which can help you burn more calories. For example, protein takes more effort to process than fats or carbs, which is why it can help boost your metabolism. Whole foods like oats and vegetables are not only filling but also require more energy to digest, which can make a significant difference in maintaining a calorie deficit while staying full and satisfied. Eating minimally processed foods has many advantages, especially for weight loss. Foods like oatmeal, fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grain bread are full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients help your body function better and make you feel more energized. Unlike heavily processed foods, minimally processed options give your body what it needs without unnecessary additives or empty calories. Another big advantage of whole foods is their higher thermic effect. This means your body burns more calories digesting and processing them compared to processed foods. Research shows that people who eat more whole foods tend to burn more calories throughout the day. For example, a study found that participants who ate unprocessed foods used more energy during digestion than those who ate processed meals. Over time, this can lead to better weight loss results. Whole foods are also more filling, which helps you manage your appetite and reduces the chances of overeating. Choosing these foods instead of processed options helps you control hunger while providing the nutrients your body needs. This small change can make a big difference in how you feel and how successful you are in reaching your weight loss goals. When you eat your meals throughout the day can also affect your weight loss. Eating more calories earlier in the day and fewer at night can help control hunger and maintain energy. Research shows that eating a bigger breakfast and smaller dinners is better for your metabolism and can make it easier to manage your weight. Aligning your eating habits with your body's natural rhythms can give you more control over your hunger and energy levels. By eating more in the morning, you give your body the energy it needs for daily activities while reducing the risk of overeating at night. A hearty breakfast can also kickstart your metabolism and set you up for a productive day. On the other hand, eating large meals late at night can lead to weight gain and disrupt your body's natural processes. Adjusting your meal timing may take some trial and error, but it's worth it to find what works for you. Choosing foods that are filling is another key part of weight loss. Foods high on the satiety index like oats, beans, and certain vegetables help you stay full for longer. These foods prevent you from feeling the need to snack between meals and make it easier to stick to your calorie goals. For example, oats are more filling than whole grain bread and can keep you satisfied longer. Adding high-fiber fruits, protein-rich snacks, and whole grains to your diet can help you manage hunger effectively. Experiment with different combinations to see what works best for keeping you full and satisfied throughout the day. Here's an example of a meal plan. Breakfast: a bowl of oatmeal with fresh berries and nuts for fiber and healthy fats. Lunch: a salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, cucumbers, and olive oil dressing for protein and nutrients. Snack: Greek yogurt with honey and almonds for a mix of protein and healthy fats. Dinner: a stir-fry with colorful vegetables, tofu or lean beef, and quinoa or brown rice for fiber and protein. Optional snack: sliced veggies with hummus or a piece of fruit for a light, healthy treat. Adjust portion sizes based on your needs, and focus on eating until you feel satisfied, not overstuffed. To wrap up, we've covered how making better food choices and planning your meals can help with fat loss. Whole, minimally processed foods like lean proteins, oats, and fresh vegetables improve your metabolism and keep you full. Meal timing, such as eating more in the morning, can also help manage hunger and energy levels. We encourage you to try these dietary swaps and meal strategies to see what works best for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Check out our other resources for more tips, recipes, and meal plans to support your journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time as we explore more ways to improve your health and reach your goals.